Hello, my dear little friends. Welcome to my channel. Come, let's learn about weather. Let's look outside. What's the weather? Look at that. It's sunny. The sun is out. It is bright and warm. It looks like it's raining. Yes, it's raining. This weather is rainy. Look at the waterfalls from the sky. Oh, what's that with so much of cloud? Cloudy. Look, it's cloudy. The sky has lots of clouds. I can feel some air coming through my window. Yay, look at that. It's windy. It's windy. Look at the air. It's moving fast. I feel cold. Let's look outside. What's the weather? Snowy. It's snowy. Look at the snow fall from the sky. You need warm clothes. I enjoyed learning about weather. Did you? Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.